Cryllic Lesson number 7. Yay! And we're back. Feels like it's just been a really long commercial break. Let's see. What ones, give me a second, was I going to teach you? No. Were I going to teach you today? Which ones were I going to teach you today? No, that still sounds wrong. I apologize. Let's see. We just finished S. Alright, so we're going to learn T, U, and W, I think. I think those are good ones. T is really simple. Oops, 1 second. Made one of the letters wrong. Oh, I'll have to give me another second to read this textual message, which I'm betting is from you, Jill. Alright, see those? This is the letter T. See how easy it is? It's another one where the only difference is size between uppercase and lowercase. 1 second. So, then, Jill, stop it. You're supposed to be watching these, not texting me. Never even suggest giving up chocolate. It's evil. Anyways, the next thing is the sound th, which, remember how I taught you D with the little B after it made the sound th? Well, T with a little B after it makes the sound th, as in thin or something like that. Let's see, I'll write an example. Thin through You notice the difference between I hate this camera, it's so evil. See, T followed by I hate this camera. T followed by a little B makes the sound th. Never th as in the, always th. Versus the. You can hear the difference, right? Okay. Next is the letter U, which is a little odd. Basically, it's a Y. If you write a Y, they know what you're talking about. It looks more like this kind of Y. Well, it's just like the letter K. I said, you know, you can write just a normal letter, capital K, but it looks better if you do the little curved part to it. It's the same way with this. Okay? Now this only makes the sounds, let's see, what sounds does it make? As in book. Oo, as in dune or pool or something like that. And as in up. And remember how I said the letter A can also make the sound but that's only when in English it would be written with the letter A to make an sound. In Cryllic, if it's written with if a U is written in English and makes an sound, you use the letter U in Cryllic for that versus the letter A. Does that make any sense at all? Some, maybe. Alright, see? It only makes oo, and but only when that would be written with a U. Okay? Now, if you want to make like the long U sound, you know, where it's sort of a Y, oo, you would write Y-U. You know how in first grade or wherever they teach you to write the U with the little straight line above it and it makes the sound U. Oh, you'd write it like that in Cryllic. Ta-da. However, there is one more sound I said I was going to teach you in this lesson, and that is the sound W, which W it's actually just the consonant version of the letter U. I mean, yeah, I said that right. So what you do is you do the same thing you did. Remember how Y is the consonant version of the letter I, and all you did is added a breve, that little smiley face thing, above it. So we do the same thing. We add a breve above the letter U to make it W versus E. I mean, ooh, I was thinking about it. And that is the letter W, which you may remember from this consonant sound, ow. I mean, not consonant, vowel sound. Where am I getting this from? The vowel sound, ow, which was AW. See? Ta-da! Literally AW, but most people who speak English see OW as ow. They see AW as aw, which is odd, but that's how it is. So those were the letters for this lesson, and I'll see you next lesson, and maybe we'll learn a few more. Ta-ta!